Hello and welcome to Three Blind Mice Window Coverings. Today I'd like to show you some of the most commonly used wire-free motorization options available through Graber. So what we have here are some of the most commonly used motorized shades. We have the 2-inch wood blind, the roller shades, and the cell shades. Now all of these shades here are operated via battery operated power supplies. So as you can come in here, we can actually see that when you open this up, we have a motor inside the headrail which operates the shade, and then we also have a external battery pack that can be loaded by the homeowner. So as we put this back in here, you can see the function of these blinds. So as I have my handheld remote here, I've got this labeled for blinds. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the up button, and the blinds will tilt to the up position. As I hit the down button, they will go ahead and go all the way down to the bottom position. Now you can also set a favorite position. So for instance, with the up and down, you want to have the blinds set to right dead center of the middle. So you can hold and get a slow tilt to have the blind move right to the position that you want. And then once it's at the exact position that you want, let me bring this down just a touch, then I can hold the My button to set my favorite position. Now doing this, the red light will flash and the shade will jog, confirming that it has done that. So now no matter what position my blind is in, when I take this, when I hit the My button now, it's going to go ahead and tilt and stop in that open position. So that's one of the most unique features about having the 2-inch wood blind tilt feature. Now over here, I've got our roller shade. This is a dual roller shade by Graber that has both a room darkening and a light filtering fabric. So again, on the remote, I've labeled it light filtering and room darkening. So I can control one or the other or both at the same time. So here I can operate the room darkening, lift it up so that I can have the light filtering down for privacy. I can raise this one up. Or for instance, if I want both of them up or down at the same time, I would go to the dual position that I've set and bring them both down at the same time. Another common shade that we have is the cellular shade. So down here we have the wire-free motorized cellular shade. With this you can get the fabric with a room darkening fabric, a light filtering fabric, or a sheer fabric. And again, with the simple pressable button, I can operate the shade in both directions. With the wire-free motorization and the RF signal that you have, you've got about a 60-foot range. So you can operate it from anywhere within the room. Some of the other options that you can use to control the shade is that we have here is a single-channel handheld remote, a 5-channel handheld remote, a multi-channel tabletop switch, and an in-the-wall multi-channel tabletop switch. Some of the other unique things that we have that you can operate the shades with, here we actually have a sun sensor. And so this will actually go in the windowsill and can be used to control the shades via the amount of sunlight that comes through. Next to it we have the universal automation box. This box here can be used to tie into almost any automation system available. Plus with the new systems that are out, it can actually be operated via your phone that will control your shades. And the last thing I'd like to show you, instead of those options of battery packs, we also have the wire-free solar panel that you can be mounted inside of your windowsill that will collect the sun's energy to power the shades. Again, these are some of the most commonly used products that we have with the new Graber wire-free motorization. If you'd like more information, please give me a call at 1-800-828-2003, or you can find us online at www.threeblindmiceusa.com.